طلاق أو تسريح تعرج الماء.
Looking for highly skilled Quran teacher for your kids? The best of you are those who learn the Quran and teach it. Online Holy Quran classes through Skype and Zoom all over the world. Time and day at your own choice. Highly qualified male and female English, Urdu, Pashto speaking teachers. Affordable monthly fee. We are teaching 24 hours. Female teachers available for female students. Get certification on completion of your course. No age limitation. We are teaching basic qaida, memorization of Quran, Holy Quran with Tajweed rules, translation and tafsir, namaz and kalimas, mathematics.
إن المنافقين क्या आपके बच्चे भी ऑनलाइन तालीम हासिल करना चाहते हैं तो मेरे व्हाट्सएप नंबर पर मैसेज करें। इन तुबदू खैरन औ तुख्फूहु